Hi there everyone, and welcome to Brooks Motor Products. Today we have stock number 186068 on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This model is black in color. It has 18-inch aluminum rims, chrome accents all the way around, including illuminating side mirrors. It also has a 6-speed automatic transmission. We'll take a look inside. We have power door locks and power windows. Got your automatic lift gate button here with all your driver's settings. You got the electronic driver's seat with lower lumbar support. We got all your light settings here. Hop inside and we got all your steering wheel options, audio control options here, heated steering wheel, cruise control, collision alert, and lane alert. The tire pressure monitoring is in the dash. You got a 9-inch touchscreen display with AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Automatic climate control with heated and cooled seats. You got your USB ports, auxiliary support, and your charging ports here. OnStar 4G LTE network ready. All your controls for the sunroof are right above. And the sunroof is right here. Very nice. And then all the cup holders, extra storage here up front. The interior color is black, leather wrapped upholstery, as well as a leather wrapped steering wheel. Take a look in the back. Power lock, power windows, 60/40 split bench seats, plenty of leg room over here. You got the foldable armrest cup holder in the center, and you can fold this seat down like you just saw for more storage space. This model also comes with front and rear floor mats. It also comes with front and rear parking assist, as well as a rear view camera. Automatic tailgate open. Just have to hold the button, press the button twice on the key fob, and it opens for you. Take a closer look. You can see you got plenty of storage in here. And you got your spare tire underneath the bed of the trunk here. And then you can just press this button and it will close for you. And there you have it. That concludes stock number 186068 on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier Diesel all-wheel drive. And the exterior color is black.